Welcome to the future of urban living. Welcome to Dholera Smart City, the crown jewel of Gujarat, India's first smart city. Dholera, a semicon city on the rise, poised to become a global economic powerhouse. With its strategic location and world-class infrastructure, it's no wonder that industry giants have chosen to call it home. By 2030, Dholera is projected to generate approximately 8 lakh jobs, offering unprecedented opportunities for growth and prosperity. From seamless connectivity to state-of-the-art transportation, Dholera has it all. And at the heart of this burgeoning metropolis lies Avirahi City, where luxury meets convenience. Spread over 165 plus acres with 1200 plus non-agricultural NOC clear title plots and villas and bungalows designed for maximum rental income. With direct access to major transportation hubs and a prime location within Dholera, Avirahi City is the ultimate investment destination for smart, profitable ventures. Avirahi City, a premier township boasting cutting-edge technology and unparalleled connectivity, nestled along the Ahmedabad-Dholera Highway (SH6) and the newly constructed Ahmedabad-Dholera Expressway NH 751. This thriving community offers direct access to the pulse of transportation. With the metro rail station within reach, commuting has never been more convenient. Along with seamless connectivity to Dholera SIR, this township has a close proximity of mere 4.5 kilometers to Ahmedabad's new Dholera International Airport. Avirahi City, where connectivity meets convenience and innovation meets lifestyle. From luxurious living spaces to cutting-edge infrastructure, Avirahi City sets the standard for modern urban living. Investment starts Rs 15 lakhs onwards. Discover the smart way to multiply your money with Avirahi at Dholera. Your future begins here. Explore the progressive investment journey at Avirahi Dholera, now offering rental income opportunities as well. Think smart, think Avirahi. Welcome to a reliable and profitable future.